glossy cut crease. So if you want to see how that's looking, just stay tuned until the end of this video. So I'm just priming my lid with the P. Louise base, and I'll just use my brush and just blend that right out. Then I'm going in with these two purple, one purple shade and one pinkish purple shade. And I'm just taking that back and forth in my crease and both on my eyelids. I'm just showing you guys one because I'm doing the same thing on the other one. So I'm just doing the wiping motion back and forth, blending it out. So I'm just going in with the purplish pinkish tone that I showed you guys earlier and just blending out the edges so it look nice. And I'm using a little bit of dark brown to like give it a little more depth in the crease, a little darker. So now it's time to cut the crease, and I'm using the same P. Louise base that I used to prime my lid to cut the crease. And I'm just doing it a little bit over my natural crease. So you just take your time, form the line, go around, and then you just fill it in. So I'm using that nice deep pink right there and just use it to pat on the crease that I've created. And just pat it in. You don't want to wipe it, you just want to pat it in. Take your time and just pat it in. So I'm using the white liner to create that nice line that you guys see, and I'm just doing it step by step, a little by little, just to get that line nice and perfect. And if it's smudged, you can always go back in with the eyeshadow, either the pink or the purple, and just clean it up. But yeah, just take your time and do it, and it will come out perfectly. So I'm just cleaning off my face, taking away the excess shadow that fall off on my face. And then I'm just priming and moisturizing my face, and then get straight into my foundation. So I'm just blending away. So at this point, I'm just taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and highlighting my face, under my eyes, below my nose, my forehead, my chin. And then I just proceed to just blending that out. Blend it out nice and smooth. You don't want to see any lines or anything. Blend it out nice and smooth, guys. So after you highlight, you have to set that highlight, and I'm using my banana powder to set all my highlights. The same place that I've highlighted, just going over with the banana powder. Lots of person bake. I really don't bake. I normally just toast. So once I put it on, I just brush it off. And you guys know, once you highlight, you have to contour. So I'm just contouring my face at this moment. With some finishing powder, some mascara, and finish off the eye by adding the same purple eyeshadow, and then I go in with a nice white silverish tone. Yeah, I just placed that shadow right in my waterline, and then I just went into blush and highlight. Nice, stunning. So now for the lips, I just take a nice purple lip liner and I just rub that all over my lip and just add some gloss, and that was it.